I love what I'm wearing. Hi everyone, my name is Mary. You're welcome to my tutorial today. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to make this lovely infinity wrap. Good for summer. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it gorgeous? Little to the back. To the back is gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to be showing you today on how to make this infinity wrap. It's very simple, very easy peasy like this. So you're going to learn how to make it. For the returning subscribers, I want to say thumbs up to you. If you are new subscribers to my channel, please kindly click on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be working with this lovely African wrap today. It's a strap fabric, so I'm going to be working with the measurements of bust 38 and the waist is 34 inches. The length of the skirt is going to be 24, and the infinity wrap, we are going to take it 18 inches width, and the length is still going to be remain as 2.5 yards. So what you do first is to cut out the 25 inches for the skirt. So once you've done cutting out that, you're going to put gathers, and there's going to be a zip, so you don't have to divide the skirt. You can do gathers or you can also do pleats. I'm going to be cutting out the waistband of 34 inches plus 2 inches here for the upper band where I'm going to attach the infinity wrap to it. I'm going to go ahead and put gathers on the skirt, that's the bottom part of it. I have done a tutorial on how to put gathers on a dress or a skirt. If you haven't watched, I'm going to leave a link for you to watch. Alternatively, what you can do is also to use your hands and do pleats. It works quite well like gathers. It gives you a different look as well. And pulling out the thread is also another technique, so it's important you watch my channel to see how I did my first gather skirts. So I'm also working on the infinity wrap now. As you can see, I've notched the two centers. You have to fold the band into two and notch the bottom center and the upper center as well, where you're going to place the infinity wrap. I've gone ahead to put a little bit of gathers in front of the cup in order to give it a bit of lift for the boobs. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how to place the wrap on the band. So as you can see where I knotted them, so I'm going to place the band to overlap each other, so it will give you that v-neck without revealing so much of your goodness. If you don't overlap the front wrap, it's going to be showing your boobs a lot. So I'm going to make it 1 inch, but you can do it like half an inch. And if you're a bigger person, you can do even 2 inches in order to protect your boobs from, being too revealing. As you can see now, the wrap is already out. So I'm going to be pulling out the gather skirt now. Like I said in my previous listing, I've done tutorial on this, so please go and watch it. So I've already placed the wrap on the band, you have to fold it into two and make sure it's at the center of where you notch it, otherwise it's going to be wonky. So when next you're doing, or if you're doing yours, please follow that technique. It works very well. So you have to really pay attention here. Remember, we notched the skirt and we also notched the band as well. So I'm going to put the two of them together to give me that, to centralize it. And I'm going to use my pin to also secure that. Then I'm going to go ahead and use pin to pin everything from one end to the other. And as I'm working, I'll be working with my measurement as well to make sure I have the exact waistline. If it's too big, I'm going to pull the gathers more. If it's too small, I'm going to extend it as well. This skirt is very easy to make. Anybody can make it. So I'm done pinning and I'm going to take it to the machine and sew it. Wow, this skirt is ready. As you can see, the cup is coming out because of the gathers that we put. I'm going to go ahead and add the zip to it, and then I'll bring it out and show you the finished look. That's nicely done. This skirt is ready. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. And if you are new to my channel as well, please kindly subscribe, like and share the videos. I'm going to show you the finished look. Wow, this is gorgeous, elegant. Ooh, very playful. I just like the fact that you can do different style with this dress. Honestly, this is nice. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to wrap them in different ways. You can wear it like skirt even, you wouldn't believe it. This is gorgeous. This dress is really, really, really gorgeous. I love it. It's really gorgeous. We've come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for staying by to watch my tutorial. And if this tutorial has been useful to you, remember to subscribe, like and share. And for the new subscribers, like I said, here we do a lot of things, so you're going to learn more about Mary's lifestyle. Thank you for staying by. Keep watching and keep making things for yourself as well. Do have a blessed day and God bless you. Bye.